ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, RJ32 ಕನ್ನಡ ಟಿವಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಸುಷ್ಮಾ. ಇದೀಗ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಬಲಪಡಿಸುವ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯಾಗಿ ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಾರ್ಹತೆ ಮತ್ತು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ವೃದ್ಧಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ TCS ION ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಪೋಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ತರಬೇತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕೃತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ದೀಪಕ್ ಬೆಳಗುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ TCS ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು.
Our students will gain access to industry oriented training program, certification courses, placement preparations and career guidance initiatives. This MOU will help to bridge the gap between the academics and industry expectations. Our students will benefit through advanced training program aligned with industry requirement, aptitude and technical skill enhancement, placement readiness activities and mock assessments, exposure to latest technologies and professional practices, career guidance and employability support opportunities for certification and continuous learning. At Shakti Institute of Technology, our goal is not only to educate students, also to prepare them for successful careers. We are confident that this association with TCS ION will create better opportunities for our students and enhance their competitiveness in the job market. On behalf of the Training and Placement and CDC team, I sincerely thank our management of Shakti Institute of Technology, Shakti Group of Institutions and the team from TCS ION for making this collaboration possible. I wish all the best for all the students and I request you all to be part of this program so that you can be prepared for the good career options. We look forward for a strong and meaningful partnership, sir, that will greatly benefit our students and institutions in the years to come. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
ನಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಭು ರಾಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
Skill Development and Medical Education of Government of Karnataka, Dr. Sharan Prakash Patil ji. Our beloved Chairman, Sri Uday Shankar ji, Directors, Sri Anirudh and Mistress Sweta ji, TCS representatives, media persons, parents, faculties, and my dear students. So there is a saying that the best way to predict the future is to create it. Right? So rather than predicting, we have to create our future. Today, at the Shetty Institute of Technology, we are just predicting the future of our students. We are building the infrastructure to ensure that the future is bright, global and innovative. I would like to extend my warm welcome to our partners from Tata Consultancy Services. In the modern engineering infrastructure, a degree is a starting point. So after getting a degree, the next step is getting a job. So the industry readiness is the finish line. By signing the Memorandum of Understanding between SIT and the TCS, the student will get the benefit by training and placement activities.
ನಂತರ TCS ಜೊತೆಗಿನ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ TCS ION ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
ವಾಕ್ಯದೊಡನೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಲೆ ಮೇಳವಿಸೆ ಜಸವು ಜಗ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಇವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ DVJ ಅವರು ಕಗ್ಗ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಪಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು ರಿಲೆವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಗ್ಗಕ್ಕೂ ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೂ? However, I would like to bring one relevance here. Before that, I would like to offer thanks to this institution. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಉದಯ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರೇ, ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಅವರೇ, ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ TCS ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಾದ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಅಂತ. However,
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಉದಯ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಟಾಟಾ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಖುಷಿ ತಂದಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
It's a matter of great pride and privilege for us to have a gracious presence of Honorable Minister Dr. Shyaam Prakash Patil sir with us on this important occasion. Your continuous efforts towards strengthening skill development, education and opportunities for the youth of Karnataka are truly inspiring, and we are honoured by your presence, sir. Today marks a proud, significant milestone for Shetty Institute of Technology as we come together for the signing of this Memorandum of Understanding with Tata Consultancy Services, one of the world's most respected and globally recognized technology organizations. This partnership represents more than collaboration. It represents vision, opportunity and the coming together of academia, academia and the industry to shape the future of young talent. The world today is being transformed by technology at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, data science, cloud computing, cyber security, automation, digital transformation are redefining industries across the globe. In such an environment, institutions must evolve beyond conventional education and create ecosystems that prepare students for the real world. At Shetty Institute of Technology, we strongly believe that education must inspire innovation, practical learning, industry readiness. Our goal is not only to produce graduates but to nurture professionals, entrepreneurs, innovators and future leaders who can compete confidently on a global stage. This collaboration with Tata Consult Services is a major step in that direction. Through this partnership, our students will gain exposure to the industry practices, advanced technologies, skill development programs, internships, training initiatives and opportunities that bridge the gap between classroom learning and corporate expectations. For students, this MOU is more than an announcement. It is an opportunity to dream bigger and aim higher. We sincerely thank the leadership and team of TCS for believing in our vision and joining us.
ನಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಸಚಿವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಹತ್ವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಎದುರಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶದೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಮಹತ್ವ ಆಶಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Even though Karnataka's situation is better than the rest of the country, when I took over as a skill minister, it was a daunting task how to overcome the issue of unemployment. So we have from the government side formulated many schemes and we are trying to strengthen institutions which will do education which are employment oriented, ensuring 100% employment. So the focus of the government is now not only giving the quality education, with the quality education, relevant education is very important, and employment is the most important thing. For this, myself and my friend Priyan, we had constituted a skill mission under which we wanted to analyze why is it so in Karnataka every year nearly more than 100,000 engineering students are passing out, and to our shock we saw and we found the employability rate is less than 15%. So we need to find a solution for this. So we constituted a skill council which constituted of industry partners, academia and the government officials to formulate policies. How do we work on this? For this there was certain analysis done and it was suggested that we need to adopt future technology because the kind of education and the curriculum what is there we've been taught is not relevant to industries. When we ask the industry, they say there are a huge number of jobs.
ನಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು.
The parents, the media person and all the faculty and students, thank you all for coming here today. It's a wonderful event that we're having here today. It's one of its kind because we are the second institution in entire Karnataka to have this MOU signed, and this is a really a matter of pride for us. We are as of now we are only doing it for our college, and we are also talking to the TCS team if we can do it for the rest of the people in entire North Karnataka. So it's a great matter of pride for us to be associating with TCS. Today is not only an important day for Shetty Institute of Technology, it's also an important day for entire North Karnataka. And for many years, students from North Karnataka have always complained that they don't have the exposure, that they don't have the enough opportunities, and we lag behind because of all of these things. And this is the answer for everything. And I really hope this day will bring a lot of changes, a lot of opportunities for all the students that are present here, for all the upcoming students that are going to come here to our college. And I request everybody to take full benefit of this, take full advantage of this, because I'm not sure you will get this anywhere else in an entire state. So that's one of the things. And first of all, Tata Consultancy Service, as you all know, it's one of the largest companies in the world. If they have trusted in us and signed this MOU, it's a great deal for us as well. Thank you so much for doing this. And also I'd like to thank all the students also to that showed interest in this, and all the parents that are present here. I also would like you to take interest in knowing more about these activities that we're going to come up with TCS. And I truly believe that years from now we look back at this moment as the beginning of a larger transformation, a step towards making North Karnataka a stronger hub for education, skills and innovation. Together, let us create an opportunity for our youth in North Karnataka. Together, let us shape a brighter future for generations to come. Together, let us make this happen. And thank you, everybody. Thank you, media persons, for coming here covering this event. Thank you, parents, and thank you all once again. Thank you.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಜಿಐ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಉದಯ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಅನಿರುದ್ಧ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಭು ರಾಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಟಿಸಿಎಸ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು. ಬ್ಯೂರೋ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ RJ32 ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಕಲಬುರಗಿ.